Let's get inside and see what I picked this time. Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have another unbagging for you from Globleland. I really enjoyed their products from last time and I was very excited when they offered me a chance to share some more of their items with you. So firstly, thank you very much to Globleland for allowing me to do these unboxings. Should you wish to check out their items, you can use my code Arietta10 and get 10% off your order. Do make sure that you're making the most of the discount codes available to you. Let's get inside and see what I picked this time. Well, everything's all in bubble wrap again, so we'll dig in. Okay, so these are, I'm going to take them out because it's difficult for you to see, but they are silicone stamps. And specifically, on a white background. There we go. These are tarot card stamps. My thinking was that when I do tarot readings for myself, I can then use these stamps to add the reading details to my book of shadows or to my journal. So you can see we've got the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, Empress, Emperor, Hierophant, Lovers, Chariot, Strength, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, Hanged Man, Death, Temperance. There is a T on there, just about. Temperance, Devil, Tower, Star, Moon, Sun, Judgment, the World, Cups, Pentacle, Sword, Wands, some lovely stars, and then one that just says Magic Tarot. So really, really cute. I will just get some prices for you for that one. Okay, so this is ridiculously cheap. The Globleland Tarot Fantasy Mystic Magic Diary Silhouette Stamp Set is 99 cents. I mean, you cannot go wrong at this price. I would also be interested to try using these, because they're silicone, using them as resin inserts. So yeah, look out for some experimentation with that coming up. Links for all of these items will of course be down in the description for this video, along with a reminder of the discount codes available to you. Next item. Aha! Sticking with a journaling theme. Okay, so this is described as a scrapbook paper pad for DIY. I thought it would be great for journaling as well as for adding to books of shadows and things. So this is 24 sheets. They are not double-sided. They are 152 by 152 millimeters. Let's just check if that's correct. Yep, that is correct. So let's just have a little flick through to see what we've got. I'm loving this purple one. So yeah, 6 inches by 6 inches if you are someone that works in that sort of numbers. So let's have, so we've got 2, I wonder if there's going to be 2 of each design. Looks like there will be. So we've got sort of distressed floral, we've got some squares, we've got brickwork, lines, could go either way obviously. Dots, distressed, is that a world map? Yes, I think that's a map. Edges, got some bokeh, some cracks, another kind of distressed brick wall, another brick wall one with sort of gold embellishments, and then yeah, that's the other half of that one. So these are really nice. Can certainly find many places to be using them. This pack was $6.65. There's plenty there to be working with. Okay, we have this kit. Okay, so this is a greeting card kit, including paper, cards, envelopes, craft paper, ribbons and sequins as necessary. This was only $2.76 for this kit. Let me just get inside here and we can have a proper look. Okay, very nicely presented. So we've got lots of these little cut-out bits that you can add to your cards. We've got sequins, we've got ribbons, we've got sparkles. We've then, in here, got a whole bunch of card blanks. So yellow, sort of natural, grey, gold, brown and silver. We've got our envelopes, and then we've got some double-sided sticky fixes. So look out for a video coming up very soon showing me making some greetings cards. Yeah, I am happy with that. I think that price is amazing. $2.76, and yeah, really good. So that's the card kit by Eno Greetings Creative Scrapbooking. Let's look at the last item. Okay, so what we've got here is a little mirror diamond painting set, and you get two, so you can do one for yourself, give one to a friend. They of course work brilliantly as gifts, as they are, or gifts completed, depending on whether you have a friend that's crafty or not. This was $11.89 for the two. Yeah, the most adorable little diamond painting tray. I've never seen one like that. Single plate of wax and your pen. You get your diamonds. Fairly straightforward. No DMCs, but not a problem. And then this is the compact that you're going to be diamond painting. So you'll peel back the clear coat on here to reveal the sticky surface below, and then place the diamonds in the correct spots, and you do both sides. Inside here, ooh, ring light, you will see there is a mirror. So again, beautiful for gifts, beautiful to keep for yourself. The fact that you get two in a kit is really nice. There are a number of different animals. I choose the pig because pigs are my favourite, but there are also pandas, cats, bears, different styles of cats. There was an owl one. There's quite a few to have a look through. So yeah, again, do go and check them out. I'm super happy with all of the bits that I got from this haul. I cannot wait to get started using them and sharing the results with you all in a video. So do remember to go and check out Globleland.com. Links will be down below, and specifically links for these products will be available for you to allow you to find them nice and quickly. And to remember to use my code Arietta10 on screen now, should you wish to get yourself 10% off your order. that is all from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this little haul. Remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. Thank you to all of my Patreons. You mean the absolute world to me. I will see you all in the next video. And until then, stay crafty.